What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and today you're going to learn my 3 favorite affiliate programs for beginners. Affiliate marketing is one of the best business models for beginners. It has a very low startup cost, and it's great because you get to promote products and services for already proven companies. Now, I'm assuming you already know what affiliate marketing is if you're interested in this video. So if you want a full breakdown, this video isn't that, but I do have one already uploaded on my channel if you want to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing before you get started. Alright, so with that all out the way, let's get started with the first one, and that is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is great because it's your all-in-one sales funnel page. It helps generate leads and get great customers with its very easy to use website design. And it's great because you can be an affiliate for ClickFunnels without actually purchasing the product itself. Now, they do offer 2 weeks for free, but if you already have your own sales funnel page and you just want to promote another good one, ClickFunnels is the one for you guys. It's awesome. And let's get into their payouts and stuff like that. So you can literally just click ClickFunnels affiliate program, sign up, and you can get approved right away. So it's great. You don't have to wait on a long process. And once you get signed up, you can kind of read through here and see all the things that they offer. One of my favorite things is ClickFunnels is a little bit pricey, right? For good reasoning. But as an affiliate, that's great because you can earn 40% commissions, right? So it even says right here, some subscriptions go from $97 to $297, and some for big businesses are $2,400 a month. So you're earning 40% of that, and they even say right here, could you imagine? Now keep in mind, ClickFunnels is great because it's a reoccurring monthly subscription. So every time each month goes by, you're earning 40% of that initial sale. So it's great because it's reoccurring income, and they say right here 40% commissions. And it's great because you can sign up and then you get hit with a link, and once you have that link, you can start promoting. So that's number 1, ClickFunnels, and it's really easy to sign up. Alrighty, so number 2 on the list is GetResponse. You cannot have a successful sales funnel without having a good email marketing program, and this is probably one of the best ones, GetResponse. It's not the one I use, but it's the one I am affiliated with, and I love it so much. So you can read right here before even getting started. You can grow your audience, you can sell your knowledge, boost online sales, engage with customers with email marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing, following up with email is one of the most effective ways to guarantee sales. And this basically is an automatic email responder. So whenever someone signs up on your website, this right here, if done correctly, can help generate reoccurring emails and follow-up emails essentially. So all you have to do, once again, go into Google and type in GetResponse affiliate program, and this is another one where you can sign up and get approved instantly, right? So once you do sign up, they give you a little breakdown of their affiliate program. You can earn $100 per sale, or even 33% for each reoccurring sale. So the reason why I love these programs here, because they're monthly subscriptions, right? So if someone's going to start up and use your affiliate link to get started, they're going to be paying for this each and every month. So that means you're getting, basically assured income every single month, unless they cancel, of course. But once you sign up, you can get started and approved right away. And again, you don't even need GetResponse to become an affiliate for them. And this is another reason why I like this, because you don't have to worry about using the product itself to get started. So GetResponse is number 2. Email marketing is very important and effective. And on to number 1. And last but not least, my absolute favorite affiliate program for brand new affiliate marketers is the Legendary Marketer 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. This is a course that you do have to pay $7 to get in. Once you get in, you'll have 15 days explaining exactly step by step how to start and create your own affiliate marketing business and start building passive income. But once you complete that, you can actually sign up to be an affiliate, and they actually give you more step-by-step training. So after the 15 days, they break down exactly what you need to do. They give you templates and ready for you, basically coding and email listing, all ready for you to sign up with and get started. They do a sales funnel setup with you. They show you email marketing. They go over paid ads, free ads, how to generate leads and get followers very, very effectively. And this is for no additional cost. So once you purchase the course for $7, you go through the first 15 days and complete that. Then you can sign up to become an affiliate. This is absolutely my favorite affiliate program. It's the only one on the list that you do have to spend a little money to get started in. But once you get started, you'll see the returns quickly with all the training that they provide. So that is my top 3 and my personal favorite affiliate programs for beginners. Feel free to email me or DM me with any more questions on how to get started. And if you're new to affiliate marketing and want a step-by-step breakdown of exactly what it is, I do have a video on my channel breaking that down. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Email me with any more questions. Good luck and take care.